So I went to a shop in Akihabara today, and I found some really awesome Disney stuff. I'm a big Disney fan. So I'm gonna unpack it now. It's a big, big box. It's kind of really heavy as well. Cinderella is one of my favorite movies. So when I saw this, I had to have it. It was only 540 yen. So it's less than €5. I couldn't leave it. Tom wasn't very happy because he has to carry it back to the hotel. So this is disc 1. I just love how they do it. It's a sort of LP kind of final idea. Yeah, but it's a laser disc. I don't know really how it works, but just to have it, it's really awesome. So it's all in Japanese. Well, we're in Japan. Yeah, so it has 2 sides with, I guess, the song from the movie. And we have a disc 2. And this is only one side. So then here you have a certificate with a serial number on it. So it's numbered. I don't want to get it off. I don't know what's under it, but I just leave it like this because it has to go in plain as well. Then when you open it, there is this book with really nice photos from the movie. I just love it. It's really beautiful. Yeah, I can't read the story, but I think it's about how they oh, bibbidi bobbidi boo, how they make it, all the original artwork. I love it. It's Japanese and the American ones. Hey, Sneeuwwitje. Oh, Snow White, sorry. Sleeping Beauty, Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast. It's just really, oh, the little mouses. It's beautiful. And then there's here something more. There's here a little coin with Cinderella and the fairy godmother. And if you see here on the side, here is Peter, but you can't see the other ones. I'm just gonna try. Can you see it better now? Maybe so. On the other side, here's Cinderella, and here are the prince and the other mouses. And it's just really nice. It's really awesome. Now, at first I was doubting to buy it because it's so big and it was really heavy, but now I opened it, I'm really happy. I'm gonna put it back now. Okay, so this is the second one I bought, Beauty and the Beast. I just love the drawing, the mysteries of this. Just fun fact, when it came out, it was €123.60. It was less, but let's keep it that way. I bought it for €5.40. Less even, because the tax of the changing from euro to yen is really low. So around maybe 450 or something. So yay. So I'm gonna open this one as well. The beautiful disc. It's also the laser discs. I just love the back. with the rose and the pictures. This one are the songs, I guess, from the movie. Then there are two more. I just love the drawings on the cover, from how it begins, and I think this is the movie, because of the lines. It sounds like a movie to me. And it's also on the second one, less parts, and here you got like bonus futures, how it's made, and it's just awesome. Then it got a special layer. So I just love this one. It's beautiful. It's all shiny and it looks new. It's just amazing. So it's really a beautiful book on how they draw it. And just the original drawings and voice actors and how they just put it all together. It's really beautiful to see. It's all the sets and decorations. How they put it all together, it's just amazing. It's a kind of a really old movie, so the technology they used is just amazing for that time, I guess. How do you use the real photos to make it animation? I just love Gaston's face here. It's really funny. I just can't help but laugh about it. And the beast here. I'm sorry, it's the saddest part of the whole movie, but here it looks so funny. Oh, and here the little voice actor for Chip. It's adorable. So, yeah. It's amazing. Okay, I also bought this one. I love the artwork of Aladdin. This one was 145 euros and 50 cents when it came out. I bought it also for 540 yen. So, I'm sorry. This one, the front is the same as that one. The back is just from the movie, and this one is from the movie itself. Just the chapters. And this is disc 2. This is from the original video. There goes on. It also had end credits and the trailer, music videos, Return of Jafar. It's awesome. And I love this one. I love Genie. I love the little details on the bottom. How it's just drawn. And this one is just really the making of and the trailer of The Lion King. And it's also like the other ones, the laser disc. So in this one we also have a special book. I'm not gonna open it too much. It's just amazing, the artworks on it. Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, Sherlock. I love the drawings. It's just amazing. How they make it move. The crew that worked on it. Different shots of Genie. The only sad thing is there's nothing about Robin Williams in it. I love Robin Williams. And how he did Genie. But there's nothing. I don't know. I couldn't find his name in the lyric, in the text, so I don't know. But it's just amazing. Oh, and we use a little monkey. It's really cool to see some of the things, like what's happened behind making a movie like this. And how yeah, but that they also use real humans to act, just to make it more real. Like here, the parrot with the voice actor of they even make sculptures. And here's an elephant, and here it's a snake. After Jafar gets in. How they really went to the country to make it as real as possible. That's so cute. How can you make a carpet get an expression? And then there's a lot of just numberings and a blue page. Yeah, Jay.